This is Empoy Lights and Sounds of Lumel Silang Cavite. OD managed by Erwin Navarra. With contact number 0995-277-7978 or 0939-589-1002. This is Empoy Lights and Sounds of Lumel Silang Cavite. OD managed by Erwin Navarra. With contact number 0995-277-7978 or 0939-589-1002. This is Empoy Lights and Sounds of Lumel Silang Cavite. OD managed by Erwin Navarra. With contact number 0995-277-7978 or 0939-589-1002.